Once upon a time, an ant and a bird were friends. The ant and the bird lived together on the same tree. The tree was near the end of a river. One day, the ant slipped and fell down into the river. The river was taking the ant away. The ant screamed, "Help! Help!" in panic. The bird thought of an idea to save his friend. He picked the tree leaves in his beak and dropped the leaves one by one into the river. The leaves floated on the water and reached near the ant. The ant came to the river bank with the help of the leaf. It reached the river bank and saved its life. The ant gave thanks to the bird. The next day, the ant and the bird were sitting and having a chat. A hunter came to hunt. He saw the bird. He aimed at the bird with his gun. At the same time, the ant saw this. The ant was clever too. The ant jumped off the tree and bit the hunter's hand. "Ah!" shouted the hunter. He threw his gun and looked at his hand. At that moment, the bird flew away and saved his life.